Now in today's tutorial we'll be redesigning this flyer you are seeing here. We'll be redesigning this. I'm Prince. If you're coming across the channel for the first time, do to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you have to stick to the end of this video and also turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a video like this you'll be notified. So the first thing we are going to do now is just for us to import the background we use for this design. So this design was not created by me. I give credit to the owner of it. I got it from Pinterest and I was able to extract the background and also the image we'll be using for this design. So if you want to know how to do it, just drop it in the comment section and I'll give you the guide on how you can be able to achieve this. So now the first thing is for us to import the background we'll be using for this image or for this design. Here we go. We've been able to import the background. So what we're going to do now is for us to be able to enlarge the background so that it fits into the canvas. After that, we just have to lock it so that it will not be able to move here and there again, so that everything will be okay. And maybe drag the one we'll be using as reference up so that we'll be able to see what we are doing. Thereafter, the next thing we'll be doing now is for us to import the image we'll be using in the design. So you just have to click on import and import the image. So we've been able to import the image to our design. As you can see, we just have to keep it like we are replicating this design now. So you just have to keep it the way it will look like the original one, but we may do some things different. Yes, we may not design it exact way the person designed it, you understand? So but this is how you can run any design or get any resources you can use for your design on your smartphone. So after importing it and placing it the way we want it, we just have to lock it again. So after that, the next thing we are going to do now is for us to type the text food fonts. You just have to click on text. So now we already have our text typed food fonts. So after that, we have to enlarge it and go and choose the exact font or a font that will match with the design. Let's use something like this food font. I think this is okay. So now we'll be able to insert and be able to get the font we want to use for the design. So now you can see that it is behind the image of the lady, so just have to drag it to be in between the lady so that the text will be behind the lady. Now this is how it looks like. I have to increase it a little bit and keep it here. So the next thing we're going to do, you can see that it has something like lens flare beneath the text we typed food font. So for us to be able to achieve it, just have to click on shapes and click on gradients and insert a gradient like this and choose the desired color. I think this is okay. So now we just have to drag this behind also. And reduce the opacity. I think that is okay. So after that, we have to type the text now. Top 5. can decide to leave the text like that. No need to change the font of that one. To be able to achieve that, the next thing we'll be doing is, if you look well in this flyer you are trying to replicate, you see something like a verified badge. So that is the next thing we'll be importing into our design. So just have to import it now. Please, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, please just give this video a thumbs up, because what we are doing here is not easy, and that is what we get in return. Please just do that. So we've been able to import the verified badge, but you can see that the background is white and it will not blend with the background we already have, but we'll do some play with it. So just have to click on it and go to where you are seeing erase color. Click on erase color now and erase the white color now, and we'll be able to erase the white color. So the next thing we're going to do is for us to change that color blue to color white. So just have to scroll to where you have color and click on color and change the color to color white. Boom, very easy, and we'll be able to get that. So you have to reduce the size and bring it down a little and bring it this side. So we'll be able to achieve that. So now the next thing we're going to type is text. So in this case we'll be typing anything we like. You can just type at Prince Designs Enterprise. Click on it and reduce the size of the text. And also the position of the text. I think it's okay like this, and you have to lock everything so that you will not be able to move anymore. So now we've been able to achieve that. So the next thing we're going to achieve is us importing this thing. I don't know how it's called, but you have to import it. Click on it and we'll still apply the same thing we did to that verified badge by removing the white color and also changing the color from color black to color white. Now we'll be able to achieve this. So now just reduce the size a little bit and keep it this side, and we can just type our text into it. And what we'll be typing there is, you need to cook new designs. You need to cook new designs, and we have to reduce the size a little bit, reduce the size and probably bold it, thereafter centralize it. So we'll be dragging it into our frame. Boom, that's what we've been able to achieve for now. So after that you have to lock everything. We are locking this thing so that it will not be movable, so that in case you mistakenly touch it, it will not change the position you've already kept it. That is the importance of locking your designs. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is for us to create a shape. Creating a shape like this, and click on gradients. Click on gradients. Changing the color you've been able to achieve something like this. So we'll just reduce the size a little bit. Still click on it and click on edit. So I had to pause the design, or I had to pause the tutorial to do some things because it's becoming too lengthy. So now this is the final design or the final product of what we were doing. So now just give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more. So